Hello friends, welcome to HR Garden. Today I'm going to talk about one of the most beautiful and easy growing succulent which needs very low maintenance called sedum, commonly known as jelly bean. First, I am going to talk how to grow sedum, that is how to propagate sedum. Propagation of sedum or jelly bean is very easy. You can propagate from a leaf or by cutting. Take a single leaf and place it in a soil. After some time, a new plant will be grown for there. Or you can take a cutting and place it in a soil. From there also you can get new plant. You can also divide this to get a new plant. It is very easy to grow sedum plant. Light. Sedum likes lots of bright and direct sunlight. In a light or full sun, the tip of the sedum turns red or orange and it looks very beautiful at that time. Now, in a very hot summer, keep a sedum in a shade because the scorching afternoon heat of summer burns the leaf of sedum. If you have kept a plant indoor and if it is receiving very less light, then the plant will elongate in the search of sunlight and your plant will become leggy. In such cases, we need to take our plant in a place where it receives some hours of bright direct sunlight. Indoor, we can place this plant in south facing window. When you grow this plant indoor, you may not see the tip of your plant red as in my case. Soil. Use well draining potting mixer that does not stay wet. Wet soil causes fungal infection and root start rotting. Finally, the plant will die. If you want to prepare a potting mixer at home, prepare such a mixture that does not hold moisture because sedum does not like moist soil. Or you can buy a succulent potting mix from online also. Water. This plant can tolerate a drought, so we don't need to water this plant too much. We can water this plant when the soil completely dries up. If you have kept this plant outside during the rainy season, you don't need to water this plant as rainfall will be sufficient at that time. Fertilization. This plant does not require too much of fertilizer. Over fertilization burns the root of this plant and you may see the discoloration of leaves. Twice in a year you can give a handful of compost that will be enough for this plant. Jelly bean has shallow root system. So while choosing the container, choose a container which is not so deep. In a container with less depth, this plant grows very well and it looks extremely beautiful. This plant does not tolerate the frost, so during the frost it is better to keep this plant in a shade or indoor. Infestation. Friends, here you can see these plants get attacked by mealybugs and scale. Here you see if the insect are visible, you can remove, as you can see in the video. So this plant are loved by this type of insect and a mealybug. So if it is possible to remove, you can remove it like this, and sometime you can spray neem oil to this plant to get rid of the pest and insect. This is very easy to grow succulent. Anyone can grow this succulent. So this is the best plant for the beginners. If you bring one leaf also, this plant will become huge like this. Friends, this is it for today. Take care of yourself, keep gardening, like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching HR Garden.